Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. This is Muhammad Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study superlative and comparative in the Egyptian dialect. For most adjectives, we use the pattern or the form أفعل, this pattern or this form for the superlative and the comparative. For example, كبير, it has two meanings, old or big or old in age. So كبير, أكبر. So for example, علي أكبر من كريم. علي, this is a name, علي. أكبر من is older than كريم. Okay, so we add min to أكبر. So here كبير, it became أكبر, and then we add the preposition min. It means than. So أكبر من علي أكبر من كريم. Another example is الطيارة أكبر من العربية. الطيارة, the plane, أكبر من is bigger than, أكبر من العربية. العربية, the car. Okay, the next one is صغير, small or young in age, small or young. صغير, it becomes أصغر. So smaller or younger. Okay, so for example, الفار أصغر من الفيل. الفار, the mouse or the rat, أصغر من الفيل, elephant, is smaller than the elephant. صغير, أصغر. Okay, but if we want to make this superlative, we want to say, for example, the youngest student, أصغر طالب. So it's followed by the noun directly, أصغر طالب, and the noun is indefinite. It doesn't have article, ألف ولام. أصغر طالب. Okay, the youngest student. The next one is طويل, which means long or tall. طويل أطول. Okay, أطول, longer or taller. So for example, خالد أطول من أحمد. خالد, this is a name. أطول من is taller than, أطول من أحمد. Okay, the next one, قصير, okay, short. أقصر. أقصر means shorter. And the last one is كتير. أكتر. كتير means many or much. أكتر means more. For example, أنا محتاج وقت أكتر. أنا محتاج وقت أكتر. I need more time. أنا محتاج, here we used the active participle. محتاج, I didn't use the present because I need right now time. So أنا محتاج وقت, time, أكتر. And أكتر is after the noun. For some adjectives, we cannot use the pattern أفعل. We cannot use this pattern or this form. What do we do then? We use أكتر after the adjective. For example, here, بدري means early. So بدري أكتر means earlier. Okay, more early. So بدري أكتر. So أكتر is after the adjective. Here, the opposite, متأخر. It's very long, so we cannot use the pattern أفعل. So it's متأخر أكتر. متأخر أكتر. Okay, means later or more late. Okay, so this is how we make the superlative and comparative in Egyptian dialect. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can visit our website for more lessons. Thank you, and see you in another video.